Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about oxymercuration, demercuration. It's an organic reaction. I am going to discuss the whole mechanism. So let's start. Well, we will be given alkene and we have a reagent HgOAc twice. First this breaks as HgOAc plus and OAc minus. Now we have an electrophile and this double bond is of course a nucleophile. So what happens is CH3, CH, CH2 and this double bond electrons are taken from this carbon and given to mercury. Now when the carbon is becoming electropositive, this mercury is having a lone pair of electrons, so it donates them to this. We get a very interesting thing now after this, that is we get a ring like structure HgOAc and there will be a net positive charge. This positive charge will be shared by this carbon and this carbon. Now what we have only nucleophile in our reaction is water. So the nucleophile comes and attacks this carbon. And the product we get is CH3, CH, OH2, OH2 plus and CH2, HgOAc. Well, this up to this step it is called as oxymercuration. Now we have next step, that is demercuration. Now in this step our next reagent, that is NaBH4, comes into action. Well, this furnishes H- ions. Now we have this compound CH3, CH, OH2, CH2, HgOAc and H-. CH- comes and attacks and this leaves. This is nothing but just a common substitution reaction. What do we get? CH3, CH, here we have plus and this hydrogen leaves, minus H plus and we get OH, CH3. This is our final product. So if you observe the reaction, what is happening? Well, we are doing nothing but adding an water molecule to alkene. See, we are adding OH here, H plus here. Now we have a few points to note about this reaction. We are going to discuss a few points about this reaction. First of all, see this OH2. Where do you think this attacks? It has two places, no? This carbon and the other carbon. Well, this is a Markovnikov addition. That is, see this positive charge, it is more distributed to this carbon because there is a donating group and a carbocation is stabilized very well here. So you need to follow this rule. And the another one thing is we are adding H2O to the alkene and the H comes from NaBH4 while the OH comes from H2O. Now why do you think this is important? Well, if you are going for a tough competitive examination, then they can give you NaBD4 deuterium. Now you will be very confused which hydrogen will be attached. So this point is very important. Now regarding the name of the reaction, oxymercuration, demercuration. Oxymercuration is adding this HgOAc and demercuration, that is we are removing this HgOAc. Thank you all.